Yo, what is up, guys? It is Motovlog day. Now, before this Motovlog starts, I want to mention a couple things, okay? This Motovlog is going to be a little bit different because it's not going to be very long. And actually, okay, so two things. Okay, here we go. Right, so my handlebar is kind of fixed, if you will, with an asterisk next to it. Oh, look at this fucking guy. Wow, what a fucking clown. He must have not gotten the fucking memo. So my handlebars are fixed with an asterisk, okay? The other thing is, I am actually not editing this video. My brother is. My little brother is editing this video. I was watching him play Call of Duty, which, Josh, you're editing this. You're dog shit at Call of Duty. You're dog shit at Call of Duty. Hey, what is going on, guys? This is my first ever like YouTube video, trying everything out and making sure everything works. And but he is editing this because he has access to more storage, right? Because if you guys didn't know, I only have access to about 16 gigabytes of storage. Can you fucking believe that? I do 2 channels with 16 gigabytes of fucking storage, okay? 16 gigabytes of storage. And he has access to a more professional editing software. So he can do some crazy effects and make my voice real loud and distort my voice, right? And do these little, like when I laugh and I go, ha ha ha, he can like make it zoom in all funky and go ta ta ta. You know what I'm saying? If you've seen Rocky Mountain Vloggers videos, you see that that's his kind of editing style. So I'm curious how he can edit one of these motovlogs, because he's never edited a motovlog before. He does a good job of editing other videos, like he works on his car or his Blazer. He does a good job editing those and all that, but motovlogs are a little hard because half the time I'm just sitting here in fucking silence because there's not much to talk about. Damn, this hike doggy car is flying. I'm already speeding, god dang. But yeah, it's kind of hard, and I'm curious of what different editing styles. So if you notice a little bit different of editing videos, that's why, because he's editing it. This guy just got over without a fucking blinker, you little donkey fuck. Hey, listen, he's gonna get pulled over before I do, right? So how about a little pull? Let's go, boys. How about a little pull? Now, I didn't really check for cops behind me, so let's hope that there are none. And if there are, oh well. I'll be like, oh yeah, that guy tried to kill me. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. So hopefully I don't get pulled over. Another thing I don't know if I mentioned, I went to Cycle Gear. My local Cycle Gear, which is actually really close to me. Let me tell you, super cool dudes, by the way. Totally helped me like fix my handlebar. But the way he did it, it's kind of hard to explain, but the way he did it, my brake lever interfered with another, I don't know what line it is. It was like a metal line, but it interfered and didn't allow me to completely pull in my hand brake, or my front brake, I mean. So I couldn't really keep it. I had to do it differently. So it's fixed, right? I can kind of, let's see if I can explain it in the best way possible without sounding like an idiot, because everybody knows I'm an idiot. Hand grip, right? These bar ends have a really, 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 really long screw. It's like this long. It goes that far into my handlebar. And if you keep that sort of loose, okay, I don't know why the fuck this person just slammed on their fucking brakes for no fucking reason, almost killed me. If you leave it loose a little bit, it allows the throttle to breathe, right? When I let go, see how I slow down? You can hear it go. I'll do it one more time. You can hear the motor bog down. So I let go. See how the bike bogs down? So for the most part, it's fixed. Yes, I'm gonna replace the part. I promise, okay? I know I say that in every video. I will, okay? But I went to Cycle Gear and I priced them, and they're the cheapest ones were $136 fucking dollars. Can you believe that? $136. Now listen to me. I asked the dudes, I was like, homie, you know, I didn't call him homie, right? Because he's not my homie. But I was like, listen to me, dude. What is the actual difference, right? What am I going to feel? And he said they're smaller. They're lower by, it's like these, I don't remember what he said exactly, but they sit lower than these. But he said they will be more comfortable. How that adds up, I'm not sure. I'm not a mathematician. I don't know how that adds up. So, but that's what he said. I'm gonna trust him because he knows more than I do, obviously, or he wouldn't have that job, right? So, I don't know. eBay or real expensive. You know what I mean? It's kind of tough. It's kind of tough. Now, I haven't been on this road at all the past week, so I hope there's like no ice. Please, Lord, listen to me, okay? We don't talk very much. Don't let me hit any fucking ice, okay? Oh, this is a nice truck in front of me. The tailgate says Jeep, and I don't know how accurate that is because that looks like a fucking like Ford F-150. Y'all see this? Look, I'll get out of the way. Look at this. It says Jeep. Oh, he's turning. You see that? Look, it says Jeep. I don't think he's going to be able to fit. He's not. Oh, he's waiting for those people to cross. So, yeah, I don't know if that's actually a Jeep or not, but it's fucking cool as shit. It's really good looking, actually. Wow, that's kind of popping on a Monday. It's a Monday afternoon. It's like 1 o'clock, boy, and the streets be hella popping. Let's get a couple pops. Oh, yes. Now, last time I was down here, they had a whole ass okay. They had a whole ass brewery. Just had a stroke. Brewery set up in this park. This park is called Parfait. What the fuck is a Parfait? I don't know. No idea. But this is our turn, right? This is our turn. So let's just take that. Please, bus, don't hit me. Thank you. Let's see here. Okay. Oh, green light, beautiful. You know, another thing, man, I can't wait till summer because I'm gonna be honest with you. Oh, this red fucking light. I'll be back with you as soon as this red light is done. BRB. All right, so now that red light is done, I'm really excited, let me tell you. Oh, I have been looking at my kayak and I have been itching to get the fuck out again on the kayak. I've also been looking at a boat. One of the last times we went out on the water to go fishing, my brother actually bought like a boat. It was like a 4-person inflatable boat. And it held up pretty good. I think he said it eventually did get a hole, but he didn't have it for very long. Got something in my throat. Got something in my throat. I don't know how my. Oh, look at the Subaru. Look at this. Oh my God. That is a beautiful blue. I gave him a thumbs up. That's a nice Subaru. Listen, I cannot wait to get out on the boat, or to buy a boat and get one. Because let me tell you guys, I don't know, I'm just kind of getting that itch. I don't know if I want to necessarily buy my fishing license or not. Because, listen, how it works around here is I usually fish twice a year, okay? And if I'm only going to fish twice a year, I don't think I can fork out fucking $70 for a fishing license, right? Maybe it's just me. But these last 2 times, I'm not joking. The last 2 times I bought my fishing license, in 2 years, I went fishing 4 times. 4 fucking times. Can you believe that? 4. So, is it really worth it? I don't know. But you guys just, hey, listen to me. Coming up, there, I promise, there will be, I'm motherfucker standing on a table. There will be some, maybe fishing vlogs, but maybe some boating vlogs, okay? Because I'm also buying a fucking hammock. I don't know. I've always wanted a hammock. I think hammocks are tight. And I just want one. So I'm going to fucking buy one. Also, you're going right here. right there, that Mile High Ink place. I'm gonna be honest with you fellas, okay? And ladies, I'm sure there's none, but I have been craving to get a tattoo, okay? I have been wanting to get a tattoo for a while now, but I don't want to get something new. If you know me, I have an eagle tattooed on my bicep. I want to add something to that. I want to elaborate on that. What that is, I don't know, because I am not very creative. I'm not a creative guy. It's just, it is what it is. I wish I was. I promise, okay? I wish I was creative. Oh, this guy just left the car wash. I wish I was creative, but I'm not. Right, I'm not. So, I don't know. If you have any ideas that would go with an eagle, a bald eagle, a bald eagle head, no. A bald, yes, wait. No, the head of a bald eagle. Yeah, that's not, yeah, we're gonna go with that. We're gonna go with that. If you know anything that goes with it, okay, yes, lady, what the fuck are you doing? At least she waved at me. But, yeah, yeah, just let me know, because, oh, that guy with the Subaru's behind me. Oh, we separated. Bye-bye, buddy. If you have anything that goes with an eagle head, please, please, don't be scared to let me know, because I don't fucking know. Good Lord. School is just getting out, and I hit school traffic. Oh, God, I'm getting ready to hit it again. Water! Ah! Oh, God, I'm hitting it right here. I love school traffic. Surely somebody will go around here. Oh, God. I might flip a bitch. Don't test me. Don't you try me, because I'll flip a bitch, dude. I'll flip a girl now. Or, what? I think I'm going to. I don't know if it's illegal. I'm sure it's illegal. I'm sure it's illegal. Surely it's illegal. Yeah, I'm doing it. I'm not waiting in that shit. There is no point for me to wait in that. I'm not picking up any kids from school. I hope I don't get pulled over for doing that. I just don't feel like waiting, you know? Hopefully they'll understand. Okay, that guy almost ran that. Jesus, what is going on here, people? Another Subaru. Wow, they're just everywhere. I really want a Subaru. Actually, my dream car is a Mazda Miata. Like 90 through 95 MX-5 Mazda Miata. Get mad. I know they're underpowered. It is what it is. There's nothing I can do about it, alright? I'm sorry. I just like them a lot. Alright, well, I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I know it was a short one, but I don't want to overwhelm my brother with editing, you know. We'll have to see how his style of editing is compared to mine. I'm sure it's going to be better. He's got better tools than I do, but, you know, that's just something that we will have to see. But if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend. I never ask at the beginning, so I always make sure you enjoy the video before I ask. And if you want to go check out my brother, go check out Rocky Mountain Vloggers on YouTube. We also have a podcast, Trailer Park Podcast. It's on that channel and on Spotify, anywhere you can listen to podcasts. So please, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next one. Later. Look, so I'll show you guys real quick. So see the handle? You see it? Watch this. See that? But if I tighten this bar in like this, oh, it still does it, but you know, it's not as snappy. So we just loosen this thing a little bit and it snaps because this screw is so long.